We're about to make incredible barbecue sauce. That is, incredible. Wow. And for those of you that do use, sorry, grow up. Welcome everybody, I'm Terry Port, and we're about to make incredible barbecue sauce. And we're gonna be using my version of a Kansas City rub. I've got the recipe in the description below, check it out. I do add a little bit more cumin than what is classic on a Kansas City rub, so please don't start messaging me about how this isn't perfectly classical. Chill out. I know, okay? All right, my pan's getting hot. I'm gonna get some olive oil, sorry, not olive oil, garlic oil in here and some beef fat here. I'm also gonna add some onions, spice rub, garlic. Now it's a good idea to let this cook out for at least 5 minutes. The longer, the better. So this is getting super aromatic. It absolutely smells amazing in here. I love this Kansas City rub. I use it all the time. Now we're gonna take it towards a barbecue sauce route. And that's going to be with the addition of cider vinegar and brown sugar in about equal parts to essentially make it a gas streak. Give it that sweet and sour base that barbecue sauces are known for. So brown sugar goes in and cider vinegar goes in. Now that I have the cider vinegar in, I'm going to add also some sambal. Now all we got to do is let that reduce and concentrate, turn into a glaze, and then we'll add in our canned tomato sauce. And by the way, canned tomato sauce, not ketchup. All right, I absolutely loathe ketchup. And for those of you that do use ketchup, sorry, grow up. As you can see, this has reduced down. The gas streak is becoming very, very sticky and bubbly. This is great. There's a little bit of caramelization going on at the bottom. Perfect. I'm gonna now get in my canned tomatoes, 2 of them, or tomato sauce actually. And of course, you know I'm gonna add roasted garlic. So I'm gonna let that come up to a simmer, let it go for maybe 15, 20 minutes. Check the seasoning with salt and pepper, and there we go. That's our barbecue sauce. I'm just getting the barbecue sauce into my Thermomix. I'm gonna get my lid on and get this going. Whew. All right, that's been going for about 3 minutes now. And just look at how smooth that is. Watch this. Look at that. And let's give this a try. Oh my God. That is incredible. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my Kansas City barbecue sauce.